Well then folks, it's been a little while, hasn't it? And a lot's changed. Not going to go into too many details, but yeah, life can throw some serious stuff at you. Those who know, those who don't really need to, but I'm back. And Kermit VXR is not here. Traded it in for a Yaris GR circuit. That lasted a week. Bit of a tree hugger. Yikes. Oh, and I've got dreads and tattoos now. It's a bit different, but hey. Long story short, I'm a family man now. I needed a sensible family wagon. So naturally I bought the most dinosaur burning one in my price range, which was the Cupra Leon Estate. 310 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, 2-litre turbo, makes all the right noises, goes alright. Yeah, but it was a bit too standard, so let's mod it, shall we? So yeah, let's mod it. Since I'm a family man, I don't want to go too crazy. Get an air filter on there, exhaust for a bit more noise. It makes nice pops and bangs, you know. Not that I'm into pops and bangs really, but it's nice. But you know, a bit noisier would be nice. Get the Mudflaps on there, and yeah, I'm going to be towing a caravan because I'm a family man now, so I don't really want to lower it. It's not like me. Not like me. Anyway, let's get to it. I'll let that caravan thing sink in a bit, yeah. So we're under the Cupra. First thing I like to do is lay out the system just roughly in place underneath the original so we can see what we're going to be working with, where it's going to go. So we can see back there that we are going to be taking it off at that clamp. And then we've got a hanger there that we need to take off. We've got a hanger here that we need to take off. And obviously we've got a hanger on each of the mufflers. So this is pretty much just for sound. It's not going to be for performance. We might gain a little bit of flow because this Y branch is pretty flat by the look of it, which is weird. And so is that pipe work. So, and obviously the mufflers are going to be slightly smaller. The original isn't resonated anyway, so I went for non-resonated, but you can get a resonated version which will quiet it down quite a lot. I don't know how that will sit with the differential, so that's on you whether you choose to use it. Scorpion are really good, so I'm sure they've developed it with that in mind. But yeah, I'll start ripping some clamps off and get to it. Right, taking the clamp off. It's a 13mm socket. You can get a ratchet on there fairly easy. They're a little bit tight, but they're not too bad. And that should come off, and then our adapter's going to go on here. If you want to do it properly, jack the car up fully. I've just got the rear jacked up, and I'm already regretting life choices because I'm squished in like corned beef. I'm not going to take the brace off either. I'm just going to leave that on and make my life hell because I've got that to get off as well. So we'll see how it goes. Right, that actually came off really easily, which was unusual. I'm used to rusty stuff, not clean. Got this lovely spring hanger to get off, and these are an absolute nightmare. Right, to get these hangers off, if you get yourself a pair of channel locks, and you put one side on the nubbin, one side on the back of the rubber, and then squeeze, it'll pull it, and then you can just angle it off. Obviously I can't do it one-handed because I can't see what I'm doing, but yeah, channel locks, they help. Having a bit of a nightmare with the back hangers, so I'm just unbolting them. It's a 13mm, and they're pretty loose to be fair. Came off nice and easy, and then I can just whip that off and put it onto the fresh muffler before it goes back up. Happy days. There we go. Time for the new. Okay then, we've got the exhaust off, back underneath. We do not need this clamp anymore that was originally on there. I can bugger off. We use this adapter instead, and that is going to go on like that. Now, because the original exhaust is smaller than the one that's going on, we have some adjustment with this. So I'm not going to tighten this up properly yet. I'm going to get our centre pipe hooked up to that, and that gets one of the bigger clamps. The adapter gets one of the smaller ones. So that's going to clamp on there with our pipe, and then I'll clamp that up so that our adjustment's just on the adapter, and then that'll let us adjust where the Y pipe sits and where the silencers are going to fit as well. Okay, so let's get this hooked up. Right, everything is ganning well under there. However, the joint onto the Y branch to the silencer is really damn tight. Really tight, so these flares just want a little tickle with a pair of pliers all the way around, just to open that up a teeny tiny bit, less than a mil, but it was too tight to fit over, so it just needed a tickle.